Yuvansh was a young gardener who worked in a large apartment complex. He loved plants and flowers, but he avoided talking to residents because many of them spoke English. He felt nervous and believed his words would sound wrong. One morning, Yuvansh decided to change his fear into strength. He started learning English by talking to his plants. While watering them, he spoke simple sentences like, "This plant needs water," and "These flowers look beautiful." It felt funny at first, but it helped him practice daily. Every night, Yuvansh listened to short English stories on his phone and repeated the sentences aloud. He learned new words slowly and used them the next day. Little by little, his confidence grew. One day, a resident asked him a question in English about the garden. This time, Yuvansh answered clearly and politely. The resident smiled and appreciated his work. Yuvansh understood that English is not about fear or mistakes. It is about practice and courage. With simple stories and daily effort, even quiet voices can become confident.